Hello guys, today our topic is Jacob's law, which is important law in product design. Earlier we were learned about Fitts law and Hicks law. Now I am going to talk about Jacob's law. Jacob's law is nothing but every user knows many applications, websites and mobile applications. While they are going through that applications, they do remember patterns, flows and components. They do expect similar kind of patterns, components in every product. For example, if I am a designer or product designer, I am going to make any applications, we have to use existing flow, existing patterns, components, layouts, so that we can save the user's time. Also, user don't want to remember everything, right? So to solve that, we have to use existing components, layouts, patterns. For example, if you go to any e-commerce application, we can see shopping cart icon at the top right always, right? So this is the good place for placing cart icon, so that if you go to e-commerce applications like Flipkart, Amazon, any other applications, you can see this icon top right. They do add the items to the cart. Then by clicking on that cart icon, they do see the cart, they can make the payment. So that is the simple flow they do expect. And the placement is important. We should not hide this icon at the bottom, or else we can this is the exact good place. Don't use this icon bottom left, bottom right, and the left. This is not the good place. This is useful place for cart icon. If you go to any applications, you can see that icon at the top right. This is one pattern. And if you go to any, as I said, any applications, or Uber, or any car related application, car rental applications, or if you want to book the car, you can first see the map. This is map. At the map you can see some search, where user can search for the location and they can book the car. Now, these kind of layouts, if you see any applications, driving car booking application, you can see similar patterns. And if it is website, always user expects the layout, like the top should be navigation, and then the banner, then the content section, then the footer. This is common pattern for any website. For example, if you go to flow, if you talk about flows, if you go to any shopping cart, once if you want to make any payment, you have to go to simple process. One form for address, another form for cards, like if you want to make the payment through credit card or net banking or debit, you can choose the options and you can go to the relevant payment method, then the success. This is a common flow for making payment. So these kind of flows, patterns, we have to use in our application. I would like to talk about another simple way. For example, this is mobile layout. There is a list item. If I want to delete this first one, by swiping from right to left, you can see delete option. This is by default in the any mobile application. If you want to delete particular row, you have to swipe from right to left. Then you can see this delete option. Then by clicking on this delete, the row will be deleted from the app. And these kind of things we have to follow. Yeah, I hope you got it. Yes, this is what I would like to say for this video. Yeah, life is short. Enjoy your moment. Be honest. Never give up. Thank you.